Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. It's just cosmetic. These three words have cost solar asset owners over 50 million euros in the last 24 months. Your O&M team spots a thermal anomaly with only a 15 degrees Celsius temperature differential. There's no immediate performance drop, so the verdict is to monitor and call it cosmetic. 6 months later, that cosmetic defect becomes a full string failure or a fire hazard. This happens because human inspection relies on visual assessment rather than predictive intelligence. Example 1, backsheet delamination flagged as cosmetic in year 2 became widespread corrosion by year 4. Replacement for that failure cost Euro 45k, while early intervention would have been Euro 8k. Example 2, microcracks labeled cosmetic during electroluminescence inspection expanded into hotspot clusters within 18 months. That caused 12% power loss on a 2.5 MW block, equaling about Euro 18k per year at 50 euros per MPU. Over a 20-year asset life, the net present value loss hit approximately Euro 360k. Example 3, combiner box discoloration was dismissed as cosmetic aging, and 3 months later an arc fault caused severe fire damage. The fire resulted in Euro 85k in damage and 6 weeks of downtime. Traditional O&M uses human judgment to triage defects, which creates a cosmetic versus critical problem. Determining cosmetic versus critical is a data science problem, not a visual call. Our drone captures thermal RGB and electroluminescence imaging in a single flight. AI agents analyze defect progression patterns using data from over 500 gigawatts of global solar installations. Each cosmetic defect receives a degradation velocity score, predicting how fast it will become critical. You receive predictive maintenance windows rather than gut feel classifications. Instead of just cosmetic, our AI tells you defect type and financial impact trajectory. We predict time to failure. For example, this hotspot will cause string failure in 8 to 14 months. Repair now versus monitor decisions are based on euros per kilowatt hour loss modeling. Automated work orders are prioritized by return on investment rather than by how severe a defect looks. Example output, backsheet delamination, site 3, array B2, current loss 1,200 euros per year, projected 3-year loss 12,500 euros, repair cost 3,800 euros, recommended repair within 60 days. Want to see how many cosmetic defects in your portfolio are actually ticking time bombs? We built a free defect progression report for portfolios over 30 megawatts at ClearSpot AI. Request your cosmetic versus critical analysis, and we will show you the hidden euro impact with a link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.